Hello girls, in today's video I will be talking about do's and don'ts of practicing yoga during periods, and I will also recommend you to watch this video till the end because in the end I will be sharing 3 natural alternatives to painkillers. And before we go ahead further, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. This question pops up in every girl's mind. Can I practice yoga during my periods? Study says that when you practice yoga during your periods, it reduces your cramps, it reduces your mood swings, your food cravings are less, and your depression count is also low. So moreover, you are less irritated for people around you, for your boss, for your husband, for your kids. Now, if you ask me personally whether you can practice yoga during the periods or not, I would say every woman's body is different. What works for me may not work for you. So I would say practice yoga for 2 or 3 months and then decide for yourself. But considering yoga is not one practice, it is a name for umbrella of practices. So you just need to figure out what works for you and give your body some time. Don'ts of practicing yoga during your menstrual cycle. Before we go ahead and understand this, we need to understand few things. Okay, so do not reverse the flow of apan vayu. We have 5 kinds of vayus in our body. During our menstrual cycle, apan vayu, the downward flow of energy is activated. So do not do any practice which reverses the flow of prana or vayu upward. Secondly, this is the time when your body needs rest, so give your body some rest. I'm not saying that keep lying down on the bed all day long, but also do not challenge yourself, both physically and mentally. Now, let us understand what are the yogic asanas or practices that you should not be doing during your menstrual cycle. First, as I said, do not reverse the flow of prana, so do not do inversions. Do not do Shirshasana, Sarvangasana. Secondly, do not do any of the strenuous practices like you are doing 24 rounds of surya namaskar or practicing ashtanga yoga. Thirdly, do not practice asanas which put pressure on your abdomen like dhanurasana or shalabhasana, naukasana, right? And fourthly, most importantly, do not practice Kapalbhati because Kapalbhati reverses the flow of prana. It is strenuous and it put pressure on your abdomen. So strictly do not practice Kapalbhati. Do's of practicing yoga during your periods. So I would first recommend you with the asanas that will help you to get rid of your period cramps. So practice Vajrasana, Shashankasana, Marjariyasana, Setubandhasana, Ardhpavan Muktasana, Markatasana, and lie down and relax in Supta Bandha Konasana, and then close your session with abdominal breathing. So these practices are very good in relieving you from period cramps. I've also created a video on the same yoga to reduce period cramps. There's another video that I've created, breathing exercises to reduce period cramps. So you can practice either of them depending on your pain or one of them. Now, if in case you just feel perfectly fine during your periods, there's no cramps and you're just okay, then I would say just take your practice a notch down. If in case you are practicing 12 Surya Namaskars on regular basis, then just practice 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. During this time, our women's or females' body is naturally very intuitive. To listen to your body, listen to your mind and feel what your body wants to do and go ahead and do it. That doesn't mean you will go and have junk food, but what kind of practice? Give your body some time and it will tell you exactly what it wants. You can keep experimenting for a couple of sessions and by then you will know what is your go-to program. Now this is the most awaited part of the video, 3 natural alternatives to painkiller. First is your age-old hot water bag. It is said that it is as good as ibuprofen, or you can also have hot water tea like chamomile tea, ginger tea, good ajwain ka pani. But at the same time, these teas do not have tea or caffeine. So you can have these. Plus you can have hot water shower on the back. So these hot water therapies will give you immense relief from your cramps and from your pains. Second recommendation that I have is soak your almonds and cashews overnight and have them next morning, as they are rich in magnesium and calcium, which are natural muscle relaxants. So they will help you relax your back and your uterus and your pelvic floor muscles. Thirdly, and most importantly, that I do every time, I lie down and practice abdominal breathing. With this practice, lot of my students have been benefited. So lie down on your back in Setu Bandhasan, put a hot water bag on your abdomen and practice abdominal breathing. You will be amazed to see the result, because deep breathing reduces your pain, it increases your oxygen levels. At the same time, when you are practicing along with me, like in one of my video, when you listen to someone else's instruction, you are able to focus more and relax more and use your willpower more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know by pressing the like button, sharing it with your female friends and subscribing to my channel. If in case you have any queries or questions, please leave a comment below. This is Hitanshi, your yoga therapist. Thanks for watching.